Guys, quick run of my Tamiya Monster Beetle. I did upgrade the system to the HPI 15-turn firebolt motor. The motor is a little worn down, so it may not run as fast, but and it is running a 2S LiPo. It's kind of raining out here, so I'm gonna run this real quick through the mud, just so you guys can see this thing run. I don't know what that was over there.
Those mushroom.
That little smoke.
Right up. Hey, how's it going?
Oh no, now I gotta go get it.
So that I'll walk it over and get it.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
Something came loose in there. So a pin or something came loose in this. I gotta figure out what's going on with this. But as always, don't forget to like or dislike, subscribe if you have not. Thanks for watching.